Well, hey, my algebra class. Excuse me. So, not much left. We're going to spend the rest of the 3 days on solving equations with numbers or terms, variables in the denominator. So, equations, or I call them equations with fractions. Now, there's still one of you that didn't take the last test. You can tell because there's a 0 in that column. Email me, maybe we can work something out. Of course, you can't get 100%, but a 0, wow. I hate to give that to you, but we'll see. So let's say I have x over 3 plus a half equals 3/4. Now, I could solve with the fractions, but it tends to happen, or tends to be, that when people solve with fractions, they just mess up. But if you have an equation, you can multiply both sides by whatever you want as long as you do it to both sides. So why not multiply both sides by the what's called LCD, lowest common denominator, to get rid of the denominator? So what number does 3, 2, and 4 all divide into nicely? Well, if you're good with numbers, just look at it and tell. Or you could break it down to its factors, and you say you got 2 2s, 1 2, no 2. It's the most that occurs, so 2 2. I have 1 3, no 3, no 3, so 1 3. So it's 3 times 2 times 2 is what I need, which is 12. 3 goes into 12, 2 goes into 12, 4 goes into 12. Now today we're going to work with numbers on the bottom. Then tomorrow and Friday we'll look at what if you have variables. So 3 goes into 12 4 times, multiply the top by 4, so it'd be 4x. Then 2 goes into 12 6 times, 6 times 1 is 6. 4 goes into 12 3 times 3 is 9. Then you subtract the 6 and then divide by 4. Woohoo! Now, isn't this easier to solve than subtract a half and then, oh my goodness. So let's try this one. X plus 1 over 4. Oh, it just froze. Sorry about that, it froze. It does that every once in a while. Just show us it's alive. Equals 2. So again, it's easier if we get rid of the fractions. So now you should have done some of this back first semester. I don't know if you did in your class, but we did in mine. So we go to 4, we go to 6. So we have 2 2s. We have a 2 and a 3. So again, it's 2 2s, 3. This denominator is 1, so you don't have to worry about it. So again, the LCD is 12. So we would have 4 goes into 12 3 times. Now usually I would distribute the 3 in my head and then write it down to save a little time, but I'm actually going to write it this time. 6 goes into 12 twice. So it'll be 2x minus 3 equals the big 2 4. Ooh-hoo. Distribute 3, 3x plus 3. Plus distribute the 2, 2x minus 6 equals 24. Now we're going to simplify. 3x and 2x is 5x. 3 and minus 6 is minus 3. So add 3. So I have 5x equals 27. Divide by 5. Nasty answer. Woo! Now, some people will combine these two fractions and solve that way, but I just think it's easier to get rid of the denominators. Try just one for me. I'm just asking for one. Is that too much to ask? I don't think that's too much to ask. Mercy. So solve that one problem and then turn me back on and I'll do it. Okay, I hope you didn't have too much trouble. Here, this is 2 times 3. This is 3 and 3. 1, 3. So we have 1, 3, 2 3s, 1, 3. 2 3s is the most. 1, 2, no 2, no 2. I need a 2. So 9, 3 times 3 is 9, times 2 is 18. So I'm going to multiply everything by 18. So 6 goes in 18 3 times. X is 3x. Plus 9 goes in 18 2 times. So it's 2x minus 4 equals 3 goes in 18 6 times 2 is 12. So distribute the 2 is what I'm going to do. 3x, wow, I'm stuck on 5 today. Ooh. So I'm going to add 8 to get the 5x by itself. So 5x equals 20. Divide both sides by 5. Ooh, x equals 4. Okay. Well, no homework today, just sort of putzing along the road of math. So here we go. Have a good day.